Happy New Year from Phuket 115. Her kittens would say that too, but they can't speak because they feel adorable.
Great honor for a great young man, 25 years old, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, who rescued fellow service members in the line of duty in Afghanistan.
Happy New Year, buddy.
Congratulations, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Any words for the people of America watching tonight on Fox? Well, we're having a great and happy celebration here. So far, no issues. Very few problems. The weather is great.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Look at his eyes. Ain't he so pretty? It's pretty. They're the biggest little blue eye in the planet. You like this swing? You like this swing? You like this swing? Okay, they guys. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year, 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 Happy New Year to you. Little kittens say that too. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. And that's thank you from Phuket 115. Bye bye.